Hi everyone, and welcome back to Living Ethically on a Budget. I'm just going to cover some eco-friendly, money-saving ways of doing laundry that I've learnt, which are highly effective. So, first of all, I want to just have a look at these soap nuts here. So, Ecover and BioD and other ethical brands do their own soap powders and liquids, but actually what I found works very well and is very cheap are these soap nuts. Okay, so soap nuts are a nut that actually grows on a tree, and they've got like a natural soap or cleaning substance in them. Okay, so with each one of these bags, now this 1 kilogram bag, that costs about £10. You get 500 grams for about £6, and there are some different brands. That's going to do about 330 washes. So if you imagine, compared to your average liquid laundry detergent, that's a big saving, presuming they work. Now, there are some quite bad reviews on them, or some bad reviews of them online saying they don't wash that well, but I've been using them, about 5 months now, and they've been highly effective. Having said that, I don't have kids, so just to show how they work, because when you buy them, actually quite a few of the brands, like the Soapnuts one, doesn't really explain in the pack well how to use it, so sorry for the fluff on this one. Each of the packets comes with a wash bag, and inside the wash bag you put the nuts. Okay, so they go in there. Sorry. So in each one of these, you're going to put 5 or 6 of the soap nuts. Okay, and once you put 5 or 6 in, that will do about 6 washes. Okay, and I'm using an eco-friendly 30-degree cycle, and it's washing my clothes really well. And then the other thing which I have been doing, which saves loads of money and it's eco-friendly, is making my own fabric conditioner. Okay, so this is an Ecover bottle. I tried to film before and it wasn't recording, so I showed you how to make it, but I'll just explain instead because I've already made this now. So usually when I make this, I make about double the amount because it's a 1.5 litre bottle. But I got this recipe off the internet and it works really well. So what we're doing is, as long as you can get a fairly cheap source of glycerin, it's very cheap. So this is Boots. I don't know if it's vegan, but this one is only about £1 to buy, and that's 200 mils. And then you're going to use vinegar, white vinegar. This is Sarson's. It's only £1.50 for about a litre bottle. And the good thing about this is this jar is very good if you're going to refillable shops to use afterwards for rice or flour, and the jar itself will cost about £2-3, £4 if you bought it from a refillable shop to use for refillable things. So it's worth it just for that. And also you can use this vinegar for cleaning drains with bicarb soda, which I'll show you on another post. Okay, so it uses glycerin, vinegar, water, and then you're going to use essential oils. Okay, so for this recipe, what you would use, I'm just looking for my dosage jars, is you're going to use a 1/4 cup of glycerin. Now that's an 1/8 cup, that's a quarter, so put that about half full, and then 2 cups of your white vinegar. Okay, and then 2 cups of water. And for that amount, you would then about 10-15 drops. I use lavender, so quite like lavender and lemon. Bergamot was quite good as well in fabric conditioner. About 10-15 drops of lavender and about 10 drops of lemon. Okay, then you're going to need to obviously make sure it's nice and tight, and you shake it up. Okay, so I use about 1.5 to 2 times that recipe. That fills it up, and if you're using, that's not going to use anywhere near a full jar. So if you use, say, 50p's worth of that and 20p's worth of that, and you've got your essential oils, it's really cheap, because usually this costs £3 or £4 for 1.5 litres, so you're saving loads of money. The other thing that works really well with eco-friendly cleaning is eco bleach. Okay, so this is great for reusable lady stuff, which I'll show you on a different post. But what I also use it for, you can use it as a laundry booster, which I've not really had to do much, with the soap nuts. But I find when I've got really nice tea towels and I use them and they get like food stains and burn stains on, I use the Eco Bleach soap. I've got a bucket there. This is not an eco-friendly or fair trade bucket. You just get them from Indian shops. And these types quite good because depending on what you soak in, will come with like a lid on, which is quite kind of discreet and helps prevent spillage and dogs drinking. You want a dog drinking Eco Bleach, even though it's not particularly dangerous in the environment when it goes down the drain. So you can soak your tea towel, and it's just cold water that you use to do that. And I'm using BioD Eco Bleach. So that packet varies between about £1.80 at some co-ops to about £2.20 other places, and that's for 400 grams. So what I do is, because this is quite a good price, but the box is cardboard and it comes with a plastic thing, when you open that, and it tends to get wet really easily and get open to the air, so rather than leave it in these boxes, I transfer to a big jar, which will take about 2 or 3 of those packets, and I've stuck on the label so I know what it is, because obviously you don't really want to get confused. And then you just buy like a shot or a dosage cup, okay, and for a bucket of cold water, you just use 1 cup of that, and it works very well. You leave it about 12-24 hours and it gets stains out. Very good. So all cheap as chips, eco-friendly, plastic saving, clothes laundry tips. Okay, thanks, bye.